Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make beef in the pot. Let's start. First, in the pan we add some oil, we add the onion, we mix it for 1 minute. After 1 minute we add garlic, we mix it. Now we add the beef, we mix it very well. And we add bay leaf, we mix it very well and we leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we add one piece of potato, we mix it well. Now we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, we mix it with the beef and potato, and after we add 1 piece of onion with 1 piece of tomato. And we add half tablespoon of coriander with half tablespoon of black pepper and half tablespoon of salt. We mix it very well. Now we add half cup of water, we mix it for 1 minute and we go to last step. Now we take it to the pot. And we add 1 tablespoon of butter. We take it to the oven. In the high heat, we leave it in the medium for half hour. After half hour, our recipe is ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.